Hi, in this video tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how to write the very first C program by using Developer C++ IDE. Before we could write the very first C program, we need to check the architecture of a computer. All you need to do to check the architecture is right-click on the PC icon and click on Properties. You can find here the system type to be 64-bit operating system. In your cases, you may find it as 32-bit or 64-bit. Keep a note of that. Close this window. Now, explore the Developer C++ editor. Right-click on it. Click on Open. So cross-check here and make sure that you have selected 64-bit release or 32-bit release according to your operating system. As my operating system is 64-bit architecture, so I have selected 64-bit release. Then the next step is to create a project. So project is a folder in Developer C++ where we can organize all the programs. So click on File, click on New, click on Project. From these options here, you need to select Console Application and select the C project. Specify your project name. Let it be School Project. So I am naming it as School and click on OK. Select your drive where you would like to save your project. Let it be C drive, D drive or E and click on Save. So here is some pre-code generated. We don't want this. You can simply right click on it and click on Close. We don't want to save these changes. Now to write the very first C program, all you need to do is click on the File menu and click on New, click on Source File. From this confirmation dialog box, click Yes to add a new file to the current project. Start writing your code here. I begin with a comment line, that is my first C program, and the comment. Next is I want to include some header files, so I start with a preprocessor directive, that is hash include stdio.h, that is standard, std for standard, io for input output and h for header file. Then main method, begin the main method, write your instructions here. Printf, write your desired text here, that is hello world. Once you have finished coding, click on the file menu and click on save. Specify your file name. As of now you can see here it is untitled. Specify a file name. I am going to name this as simply first or welcome, something where it is descriptive, and make sure that the file type is .c. If it is not, you can click on the drop down list and pick up the right option. As we are writing C programs, so the save as type must be .c and click on save. So now click on the expand button here, so that you can find all the C programs that you have done will appear in this route. So you can switch among different programs by clicking on them. If you don't want this main.c as it is not composed by you, simply right click on that and click on remove file. It's done. After you have successfully composed the C program, the very next thing we need to do is compile. That is the process of translating this program into a machine code. So now click on execute, click on compile. the program is successfully compiled. You can see the compilation results below. There are no errors and warnings. Now the next step is to execute the program. Click on the execute menu and click on run. Here you can find the console window is open for you, and you can find the text hello world in the very first line. And now press any key to come back to the editor. Now to compose the next C program, repeat the same process. Click on file, click on new, click on source file. From this confirmation dialog box, click on yes to add a new file to the current project and start composing a new program here. Once you are successfully done, close the editor by clicking on the close button on the right top corner. You can click yes to save the changes. You can specify something like second and click on save. Yes, there you are done. Thank you all very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.